Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the 11th video of Kotlin learning course. In this video, I will explain about Kotlin expressions, statements and blocks. Before proceeding with the video, kindly subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. Let's start with the Kotlin expressions. An expression consists of variables, operators, and method calls that produce a single value. Kotlin expression is building blocks of any program that are usually created to produce a new value. Sometimes it can be used to assign a value to a variable in a program. It is to be noted that an expression can contain another expression. For example, a variable declaration cannot be an expression. Assigning a value is not an expression. A class declaration is not an expression. Kindly note that in Kotlin, every function returns a value, at least unit. So every function is an expression. Let's take an example. Suppose we are having a function named addition and we are passing two variables in it, variable a and b, and we are returning a plus b. We are using this function in our main function and we are assigning this function to a variable add and printing its value. The output will be 15. Here addition is a function and it returns the sum of two parameters that we are passing to it. Let's discuss Kotlin if expression. In Java, if it is a statement, but in Kotlin, if is an expression. It is called an expression because it compares the values of two variables and returns the maximum value. Therefore, in Kotlin, there are no ternary operator because it is replaced by if expression. The syntax of if is if, then condition, else condition not met. Let's take an example to return the maximum value among two variables. We are having a function with different variables a, b and c. We are having two variables in which we are getting the maximum number by using if condition. And we are having two print statements to print the highest numbers. In first variable, we are defining if a is greater than b, then assign a's value to var max 1, otherwise assign b. And in the second variable, we are defining if c is greater than a, then assign c variable, otherwise assign a. So the output is the maximum of 190 is 100. For the second one, the maximum of 110 and 100 is 110. The next one is Kotlin statement. A statement is a line of code commanding a task. It is a syntactic unit of any programming language that expresses some actions to be carried out. A program is formed by a sequence of one or more statements. In Java, a statement always ends with a semicolon, but in Kotlin, semicolon is optional. For example, declaration of a variable is a statement. Assigning a value to a variable is also a statement. Suppose I am writing var sum equals to 10 plus 20. Here 10 plus 20 is an expression, but var sum equals to 10 plus 20 is a statement. Let's discuss multiple statements. Multiple statements are the statement when we are writing more than one statement in a single line. You can see the example on the screen. I am writing two print statements in a single line and the output is given on the screen as well. The last topic of today's video is Kotlin block. A block is a section of software code that enclosed with curly braces. A block can consist of one or more statements preceded by declaration of variables. Every function has its own block. And main function also contains a block. I have shared an example on the screen. We are having a main function, array of integers. We are printing values of array by using for loop. This was all about Kotlin expressions, statements, and blocks. I hope this video will help you to understand the concepts.